Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. We'll do our daily review. So first we will take the small cap index. So in the small cap index yesterday we ended with a buy signal, a swing signal, and the signal gave us good follow through, almost met its target. But it reached the rejection point. This is the rejection zone, 218 and 19 levels, and exactly from there again the weakness set in and the entire signal was reversed. So I had taken some position which I sold off, but I added some more towards the close here, and then it got reversed. So I am basically hedged. So I'm just waiting for tomorrow. If there is no strength, I'll exit that position and wait for the next signal. But we are at a very strong support zone. So this support level of 213 to 214 and 212 should hold. If this is broken, then we will have to see if we have to continue with the long position or we have to exit. Let's look at QQQ, which is the Nasdaq. So very similar structure in Nasdaq as well. There was a buy signal which came up in the morning, a swing signal, and not much follow through, and then again there was a sell. The signal has reversed. Now there is NVIDIA results. So before the NVIDIA results came in, NVIDIA results are, in my opinion, neutral. Now after the NVIDIA results, how the market opens tomorrow, we'll see. For now, I am still holding my position with my hedges, which I rolled over yesterday. If this move continues and we get a reversal, then again our target is going to be 522 to 573. 522 to 523 kind of targets will be still be possible. But for now, I am holding on to my long position and waiting for the next signal to come. Now let us look at the NVIDIA charts. So NVIDIA today, as you know, I couldn't cover it yesterday. So as I told, 126, 125 will be very strong support. So yesterday we went down to 125, but then there was a recovery. And after the recovery, we closed at around 126, and today we got a very good follow through. But this signal seems to have reversed now. So we will have to wait and watch what is the price here. So right now it's exactly almost flat, just trading slightly negative. So we'll see. The results are not awesome, or neither they are bad, or neither they're good. But let's see how the market reacts to it. There was some bump. So as of now, for Nvidia, we will take a cautious approach. I have a position with hedges, so I'll wait and see before I take next step. Now let us see quickly Micron as well. So Micron is a clone of Nvidia. Again, similar structures, same setup is there. So wait and watch. Nothing to hurry. We don't have a position here. And then yesterday we took Amazon in a counter trend trade, and yesterday itself there was a very major buy, and the markets went up today. We were up around 4.5-4%, so we exited this entire counter trend position. So that's when they take. Then let's see Google. So Google has not just filled the gap; it has reached exactly where this last rally started. We have reached that point. We are actually below that. So there is a lot of weakness coming in Google, but this is a trade where we have to average. So if we have reached the averaging point, in fact it is on the counter trend trade signal, we have the entry criteria as well. So Google is something that we will add if needed in the counter trend system. So counter trend system typically buys the weakness. Now we have covered NVIDIA. Tesla, we'll see. Tesla is continued weakness. Look at that. Massive weakness today as well. Again, reaching out, opened up a little bit green, but then continued to go down, and we are now almost at 200-day moving average. So we'll see, how this reacts. There can be a sharp move upside also, but for now it's showing a lot of weakness, a lot of traps have been laid off. Let's see, Amazon we saw, Google, Meta, and then Apple. Apple had a negative close today. I didn't watch it during the market hours. So this negative close, let's see how this plays out. Right now we don't have a position, but if this comes down to 236, 230 to 236 area, I may take a position in it. Then on the ETF side, we have CALF. CMG. So on the CMG today, when the pop came, we got our full targets. So I exited this position, the swing position that I had taken, and that worked out very well for me. So that's pretty much I'm watching right now. There are a lot of other stocks that we are cautiously watching. One of the ETFs that we had, the emerging markets are really showing a lot of weakness. So this is one of our open positions, IDO, which is the Indonesia ETF, and this is showing a lot of weakness. Um, so we will have to wait and watch. We have averaged this twice, so we may trigger another buy. If this, because this is now reached a very historical low value. So let's see how this shapes up, and quickly look at the S&P 500 SPY charts. So SPY now has a positional sell signal on it. Now this positional sell signal can take it down around 3-4%. Typically, generally it happens with this, but we'll have to see how this shapes up, because we are at a key level. There was an attempt, we have faced another rejection here, so it's quite possible that we may be heading down. So if we to around 580 kind of levels are possible, but on the smaller time frames we will wait and watch. I don't have a position in it, but this time the setup is looking a little weak, so we will see how things shape up. So if you have any other questions or any stocks you want to cover, do let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.